Good morning, students. Today we will solve the questions from exercise 14.4. Students, in this we have to find the errors in each part of these mathematical statements. So, in first question, student, there is 4 into x minus 5 is equal to 4x minus 5. So, the answer of first part is given, student, but this part is not correct, because if we multiply this 4 with x, it will be 4x, and we have to multiply this 4 with 5, and that is not multiplied. So, this answer which is given, that is wrong. So, first of all we have to find the errors, in which part there is error, and after that we have to correct that. We have to solve these statements and find the correct answers. So, in this question, student, this part is not correct. There is an error. So, after solving, it will be, first of all we have to multiply this 4 with x, it will be 4x minus, and after that we have to multiply 4 with 5, then 4 5 ja 20. It is the correct answer, student, but this answer is given, that is wrong. And this is the second question, student. In this, x into 3x plus 2 is equal to 3x square plus 2. In this question, student, it is also incorrect, because 2 is in bracket and we have to multiply this x with 2. हमको x को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, स्टूडेंट, बट आंसर जो दिया गया है उसमें x को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई नहीं किया गया. सो राइट आंसर विल बी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस 3x विद x. सो 3x इंटू एक्स प्लस 2 इंटू एक्स. जो ब्रैकेट के अंदर है, स्टूडेंट्स, और जो बाहर है, बाहर के नंबर को हमको ब्रैकेट के अंदर जितनी भी नंबर्स हैं सबसे मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. सो दिस वन 3x इंटू एक्स, इट विल बी 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 2 इंटू एक्स, इट विल बी 2x. सो 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x इज करेक्ट आंसर. सो दिस पार्ट इज इनकरेक्ट, देयर इज एरर. सो दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर. And this one is third question, and in this 2x plus 3y is equal to 5xy, it is given. So, student, these are not like terms. This one 2x and this one 3y. So, we cannot add them. And this one, it is written 5xy. So, it is incorrect. Student, we cannot expand this in any other form, because it will be only 2x plus 3y. These are the unlike terms, so we cannot add them, or there is a sign of addition, so we cannot multiply it. So, it will be 2x plus 3y. And this is the fourth question, student, and in this x plus 2x plus 3x. So, x plus 2x, it is 3x, student. 2x plus x, 3x plus 3x is equal to 6x. 3x and 3x, it will be 6x, but it is given that it is 5x. So, it is not correct, student. It will be 6x. And again same type of question, this is, student, 5y plus 2y plus y minus 7y. So, first of all we have to add the positive terms. So, 5y plus 2y plus y. These all terms are like terms, students. So first of all we have to choose the positive one. This one is positive, this one is positive, and this one is positive. So we have to add these positive terms. 5 to 7 and 1 8. Student, it is y, that is 1y. So 5y plus 2y plus y, that is 8y. 8y and this one minus 7y. These are like terms, students. So from 8y we have to subtract 7y and y will be remain here. So answer will be y, student, here. It is given that answer is 0. It is not correct, student. So correct answer is this. From 8y we have to subtract 7y, that will be y. And in this question number 6, student, 3x plus 2x. These are like terms, so we have to add these terms, student. 3x plus 2x, that will be 5x only, not 5x square, because x and x will be added. So 3x plus 2x, that will be 5x, student. And if we multiply x into x, then it will be x square. So there is not a sign of multiplication. So we have to add these two terms, because these are the like terms, and 3 plus 2, that is 5, and this one x, and it is given that 5x square. So this term is not correct. Answer will be 5x only. This is question number 7, student, and in this 2x whole square plus 4 into 2x plus 7 is equal to 2x square plus 8x plus 7. So student, this part is not correct, and in this part this one is incorrect. There is an error. If we multiply this 2x square, it will be 2x into 2x plus, now 4 into 2, that is 8x plus 7, and student, this one 2x into 2x, that will be 4x square, because it is whole square of 2x. So we have to multiply 2 times. So student, it will be 4x square plus 8x plus 7. This one is the correct answer, student. And we find that this part of solution is incorrect here. And in this, student, question number 8, there is 2x whole square plus 5x, and it is given that 4x here. So if we multiply x 2 times, student, it will be x square. So it will be 2x into 2x, because it is whole square of 2x, plus 5x. It will be 2 2 ja 4, x into x, it is x square plus 5x. So answer will be 4x square plus 5x, student. Or we can take the common, that is x. After taking x as common, in first part of the question 4x will be remain, and in second part only 5 will be remain. So answer is x into 4x plus 5, or you can write the answer 4x square plus 5x. But it is given that it is 9x, because in this part of the solution it is not correct. Here it is written 4x, but it will be 4x square. This is question number 10, students, and in this substituting x is equal to minus 3 in x square plus 5x plus 4 gives minus 3 whole square plus 5 into minus 3 plus 4 is equal to 9 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 15. So in this question, student, we have to substitute the value of x in the given expressions. So, given expression is x square plus 5x plus 4. We have to put the value of x in this expression, or in place of x we have to write minus 3. So, students, in this question, this one is the first part of the question, and in place of x here written minus 3 square. X square, it means minus 3 square, it is correct. 5 into x, so 5 into this one minus 3, because in place of x here it is written that minus 3. So, 5 into minus 3 plus 4, because last term of this expression is plus 4. So, it is written here plus 4. And in the next step, in the third step, this one minus 3 into minus 3, student, it is 9. If we write this minus 3 into minus 3, because it is square of minus 3. So, minus into minus, it will be plus, 3 into 3, that will be 9, it is correct. But in this part, student, 5 into 3, it is 5 into 3, not 5 minus 3, student, because there is a bracket and it is 5 into minus 3. It will be 5 3 ja 15 and minus 15, but in this part it is wrong. So, this one is incorrect. So, students, we have to solve this expression putting the value or substituting the value of x in this expression. So, in place of x we have to write minus 3 whole square plus 5 into, in place of x we have again put the value of minus 3 plus 4. So, minus 3 whole square, it will be minus 3 into minus 3 plus 5 into minus 3, it is 12, plus 4. So, minus 3 into minus 3, minus into minus, it will be plus, 3 3 ja 9. And here, student, it is plus, and after multiplying this one plus 5 3 ja 15 and this one minus 3. So, it will be minus 15, and one part is positive, that is 5, and second part is negative, that is minus 3. So, 5 3 ja 15 and positive into negative, it will be negative. So, it will be minus 15 plus 4. Now, in the next step, student, it will be 9 plus into minus, it will be minus 15 plus 4. So, in the next step, student, we have to add the positive one side and negative one side. 9 plus 4 minus 15, and it will be 9 plus 4 13 minus 15. So, negative, that is 15 and positive is 13. So, answer will be minus 2. Answer of this question will be minus 2, student. And in this part is wrong and answer is wrong. This one is third part of this question, student, and in this x square plus 5x gives minus 3 square plus 5 into minus 3. So, this part is correct, student, because in place of x there is minus 3. So, minus 3 whole square plus 5 into minus 3, and in this part student minus 3 into minus 3 negative and negative it will be positive, but here it is given minus 9. So this part is not correct. So answer is not correct. So we have to solve this once again. In place of x we have to put the value that is minus 3. So minus 3 whole square plus 5 into in place of x that is minus 3, and it will be minus 3 into minus 3 because it is minus 3 whole square student, plus 5 into minus 3, this one minus into minus it will be plus, 3 3 9, 9 plus it is positive sign student, and after multiplying 5 3 15 and this one is negative. So negative and positive it will be negative. So this one minus 15 and 9, this plus into minus that will be minus 15. So 9 minus 15, so one is positive and another is negative. So there will be subtraction. So 15 minus 9 that is 6, and 15 there is negative sign before 15. So it will be minus 6. This one minus 15, this one plus 9. So answer will be minus 6 student. This is 11th question of exercise 14.4 students, and this one is y minus 3 whole square is equal to y square minus 9. It is given. So student, this is a minus b whole square. So we have to find out the expansion of this part, that is y minus 3 whole square, and given that it is the value of this is equal to y square minus 9. So it is not correct student. In this part there is a mistake. So we have to find the correct answer, that is this is in form of a minus b whole square. In place of a there is y and in place of b there is 3. So expansion of this a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. We have to use this identity in this question student. So it will be y square, because in place of a there is y. So y square minus 2 into a into b, it means y into 3, plus b square, it means 3 square. So it will be y square 2 3 6y minus 6y plus 3 3 9. So answer will be this one student, y square minus 6y plus 9, but it is given that answer of this part is y square minus 9. So it is not correct. This is question number 13th student, and in this it is given that 2a plus 3b into a minus b is equal to 2a square minus 3b square. So first of all we have to solve this student, and when we solve this, first we have to multiply this 2a with a, after that this with b, and again we have to multiply this 3b with a and this 3b with b. So we have to separate this like this student, 2a this a minus b. स्टूडेंट एक बार हम 2a को इससे पूरे से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं, फिर 3b को इससे मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, प्लस बिकॉज देयर इज साइन ऑफ पॉजिटिव, सो दिस वन 3b into a minus b. Now this one 2a into a, this one 2a square minus 2a into b, that is 2ab, plus now we have to multiply this 3b with the numbers with in bracket. So 3b into a, that is 3ab, minus 3b into b, minus 3b square, because b into b it will be b square. Again students, this one 2a square minus 2ab plus 3ab, these are the like terms student. So this one 3ab minus 2ab, it will be a plus ab plus ab. Student, these are the like terms, so we have to add this, but one is negative and another is positive. So 3ab minus 2ab, that is ab only, minus 3b square. This one is the answer. Therefore, this answer is not correct student. So in this part student, we have to solve this, and same type of question as question number 13. Question number 15 is same type question student. First of all, we have to multiply this a with this, a again with this minus 2, and again we have to multiply this minus 4 with a and minus 4 with minus 2. So we have to write it like this: a multiplied by a minus 2 minus 4 multiplied by a minus 2. So a into a, that is a square, a into minus 2, that will be minus 2a, and again minus 4 into a, it will be minus 4a, and minus into minus, it will be plus student, and 4 2 ja 8. Now these are the like terms, so we have to add these terms: a square minus 2a and minus 4a, it will be minus 6a plus 8. This one is the answer student. Therefore this is not correct. This answer is not correct student. So answer of this part is a square minus 6a plus 8.